Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. So let's discuss Onpassive product suite. We'll provide an overview of Onpassive's comprehensive product suite, which encompasses various aspects of digital transformation. We'll discuss key offerings such as AI-powered marketing tools, intelligent business automation, advanced analytics, and customer relationship management solutions Onpassive AI-powered marketing tools include page where you can market to individuals, kind of like Facebook, but in its own ecosystem, and optimize your campaigns. And it allows personalized targeting, predictive analytics, and automated customer engagement to drive better marketing outcomes. Their intelligent business automation solutions streamline and automate critical business processes instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks like data entry, document processing, and overall workflow management can be automated, leading to increased efficiency and reduced manual effort. Onpassive's advanced analytics capabilities include data visualization, predictive modeling, and actionable insights. Businesses can leverage these analytics tools to make data-driven decisions, identify trends, and optimize overall strategy. I need coffee. Now let's discuss the customer relationship management or CRM solutions. Onpassive empowering businesses to effectively manage customer relationships, sales pipelines, and customer support. Some of the key features include content management, lead nurturing, and omni-channel support for seamless customer interactions. Now we'll discuss the e-commerce and online business solutions. And these are designed to help businesses establish and grow their online presence. And some key features include website development and total e-commerce platform, payment gateways, and inventory management for those of you who sell physical products. The collaborative tools and community platform now. Onpassive's collaborative tools and community platform allow for faster networking. I mean, I've already connected with several people in the deaf community. I was talking with this deaf person about how the two languages aren't interchangeable, and also allows knowledge sharing and support among all entrepreneurs and business professionals. It enables users to connect, learn from each other, and access valuable resources for business growth. Now you have some of the knowledge required to explore specific products in further detail and understand how they can be utilized to drive the digital transformation within your own business. Check out the free trial links down in the description.